we have here a Janome sewing machine motor off of a New Home 447, and it's a plastic body and a brush cover here that allows you to check the brushes and clean the commutator really nicely. This one, unfortunately, is bound up, so it turns about, what do we got there, almost one rotation, and then it binds up. So I need to open it up and see what is going on. So I'll unroll these studs here, which I already loosened, and make sure we get our washers and lock nuts to fall off these studs before I go. Alright, now with it a little looser apart there. Okay. It turns the whole way around when it's a little looser, so maybe nope. Whatever loosened up when I pulled it a little bit apart is now tight again. So, alright, I need to get this pulley off of here. This is turning most of the way around and turning pretty smoothly. So, I'm going to put our nuts back on and see if this will, with a little bit of oil, run and loosen itself back up. Because that's usually the cause for these motors locking up, is the bearings get real dry and they lock up. But because this machine or this motor is a plastic body, look, there's a big crack down the side here. So I'm only finger tightening these bolts, because if I use a wrench or anything, that's just gonna make this crack worse. There we go. Okay. And if this runs, then I'll probably take and put a bit of loctite on these studs. So well, it's not sounding good, but with a bit of oil, and I think I'll clean that commutator off, it might come back into service. Otherwise, this has got the standard 2-stud mount on it, so it'll be easy to replace. Fresh oil on the bearings, rubbing alcohol to clean the commutator and make sure the brushes are moving freely in their slides. Put this cover back on the brushes, and then I'm just going to run this motor plugged in for a few minutes so it can get itself all warmed up and hopefully melt out whatever goo was in the bearings. It's got, because the case is cracking, I did put Loctite on these studs so that they'll not loosen over time, and I've got this turning about as freely as I can get it right now. Like I said, I'm hoping that with a bunch of running, there you go. It's already wearing itself up and in again.